Hey guys, welcome back to Cooking with Triangla. Oh. Alright guys, so today I'm going to show you how to make scrambled eggs with cheese. Now, you can make this with salsa and cheese, which is really good in my opinion, but today we're just going to go because we don't have any salsa. Be quiet, Santa Claus! Alright guys, so this is all the things you need for scrambled eggs. Salt, cheese, shredded cheese, you can pick whatever, I'm just using that one. How many eggs you want, milk, plate, napkin, fork, pan. Oh, and I also forgot. Wait, no you don't need that. You need butter. Butter! Butter! That should be a meme. Butter. Butter. Okay, now turn your burner on to medium heat. Which one is that? Okay, I'm gonna move this out of the way so it doesn't explode. Alright. And then after that, get your pan and get some butter. 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 Alright. Get a knife. Ooh, why is it so zoomed in? And then get a little slice of butter. Butter. And then wait for it to start melting. Hurry up. I'll let you know when it's all melted. What's burning? My butter! Butter, butter, butter. Butter, butter, butter. Butter, butter, butter. I think I put too much butter. Butter, butter, butter. Oh well, now we have buttery eggs. Alright, next, what's it called? You know, what's it called? Melted, yep, see? You added too much butter, but like whatever, you know. So then you get some eggs. Cracky. You crack all your eggs into there. And it's okay if the yolks pop, just make sure there's no shells. Belly, you know. Wait, stop. Stay there. Okay. Go cracky. Ooh, yeah. See, that's a good egg. Pro tip, make sure you always wash your hands so you don't get salmonella. Why is this burning? Wash your hands so you don't get salmonella infection, so where you don't die, because you're just trying to make scrambled eggs, because Triangla 2 was trying to say, alright, I'll shut up. Yep, I don't know why it's burning, but that just squirted on me. Alright. Wash our hands so we don't get sick, die. Get a sponge. I'm not a germaphobe. I learned it from my mom. Alright, now, before it turns into sunny side eggs, you want to stir it. You gotta go, you know? Oh, see, I caught you because I'm really good with reflexes and crap, so I also forgot to say, oh my lord, that you need this thing. Pop them eggs. And so to stir it, let me show you. Zoom in butter. So look, you want it to be all smooth yellow, and you see it's starting to get cooked. You want to leave it on medium heat for about like 2 minutes, or until it starts bubbling a little bit. Alright, now that it's all nice and mixed, you want to go leave it alone. Put that right there. Alright. While this is cooking, in order to make it yummy, you want to do that. Salt. If you don't like salt, that's fine. You're a weirdo, but like, you know. It's like that meme, you know? Look at all this slime. I'm hungry and I don't feel like moving. Oh, crap. I forgot the milk. That's okay. We can just pour in some milk. Does it even need it? Yeah, let's add some milk just in case. I don't actually know how I forgot the milk. That's like the main ingredient. Like, the milk is like, yeah. Why is this not opening? Oh, that was awesome. Oh. I don't know what I'm doing right now. I'm just like mixing stuff together. Alright, let's stir in some milk. Alright guys, now you can see that it's starting cooked. I actually didn't set a timer. I just thought you guys could be entertained without a timer. I can stay in the camera. Alright, you see it's starting to get a little chunky. I think I put too much milk. Okay, meanwhile, see, this is a good egg. It's not cooked yet, but let's try it. Ready? Mmm. So good. Just needs a little. Just needs a little bit more salt. That's good. See, it's good to taste test things.